If you need replacement windows for your Colorado Springs, Colorado home, get the most from your investment by following these 4 tips. First, focus on energy efficiency. There's no doubt that the weather can go to extremes. You'll want to choose double or triple pane options with low E coatings and insulating gas fills. Second, those premium products are only as good as their installation. Finding the right window contractor is essential. They'll ensure the window sealing is perfect to prevent air and water leaks. Third, you'll want to ensure the window style you select is right for the room in your El Paso County home. Double hung and slider windows are great for rooms that need extra ventilation. Slider and awning windows are perfect for hard-to-reach areas, like over the kitchen sink. Carefully consider what will work best for each space. Finally, choose the right material for your window upgrade. Consider how much time you really want to commit to window maintenance. Wood can be a great investment, but the time you spend keeping it in good condition isn't always a fair trade-off. Virgin vinyl and fiberglass are the durable, low-maintenance alternatives. At Peakview Windows, Siding, and Stucco, we have an incredible line of replacement windows. If you're stumped, we'll help you choose the right options for your Colorado Springs, Colorado home. Contact us today to get started with a consultation.